it's Harini. Welcome to my channel. Those who are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And those who already subscribed to my channel, I'm very thankful to you. It means a lot to me. This time I'm going to show you more videos on DIYs and paintings and all. And this time I have customized my own fridge magnets with just only 15 rupees. Shocked? Yes, only 15 rupees. So I want to share with you that DIY. So without any further delay, let's start the video.
Here I am using M-Seal, paper cutter, magnets and acrylic colors. M-Seal we will get in any hardware shop. I have bought it just for only 10 rupees. And it has two separate packets inside, white and black. So we have to mix them thoroughly in equal quantities. Here I am making donut shape. Make it like this until you get good shape. You can use pencil or something for rolling. We should not use M-Seal all at the same time. It will become harder and harder when it dries. So I am using little by little. Here all are almost ready. Now we have to stick magnets. Here I am using small magnets. These are very powerful and can hold more weight. No need to use any glue. We can use M-Seal and cover it. Now let it dry for 3 hours. Now after 3 hours, paint it with white color and leave it for 1 hour. Now paint both the sides. Let it dry. Now here is the fun part. Here I am coloring with dark yellow color first and later brown shade. After once it dries, I am sticking watermelons with the help of Fevikwik. my god, can you believe it? It was done, guys, almost done. See these two cute little puppies sitting inside the cups. My god, it was done. See how beautiful it is. Hope you like this video. Please try it, guys. And how is it? Please leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.